Hello, Mr. Wright here with lesson 4.5 for the trombone. This is a review actually of lesson 3 where we just used the mouthpiece only. But now we're going to use the fully assembled horn or the trombone horn right here. That's just a generic term for any kind of a brass instrument. So when you're playing a lower note, you're going to relax your lips away from the teeth. And then when you move to a higher note, you're going to firm your lips up against the teeth and arc the back of the tongue a little bit. And remember to start each note with a tongue. Have your teeth and lips spread apart about a thumb distance, like so. And since everything in this exercise down the page is all in first position, I'll be able to use my right hand to kind of point to these down beats as they occur. Notice that there's 4 beats in this measure with this whole note, 4-beat rest. So let's go. And I'm going to start the metronome, but I'm not going to do it at 80 beats per minute. I'm going to do it at 90 beats per minute. It's going to be a little bit faster just so the things kind of click along a little bit better. So let's get going here. 1, 2, ready. Number 2, ready. Okay, number 3. Let me move this up a little bit here so we can see it better. 1, 2, ready. One, two. Number 5. 1, 2, ready. Don't move the jaw. Don't forget to start each note with a tongue, and like I said, don't move your jaw as you're playing these extra notes here. Number 6. 1, 2, ready. All right. Number 7. 1, 2, ready. All right. This should be number 8. Sorry about that. Ready? Here we go. Number 8. 1, 2, ready. All right. Sorry about that little mistake there, that little flub. All right. But that should get you going and helping you to understand how to play lesson 4 with the fully assembled trombone, 4.5, I should say.